I remember when I was an undergraduate at CSU, I participated in an after-school program where we would bus students from the local elementary schools, and CSU students would help and support them with their homework or reading or whatever they needed for that week. And so I came to Robert and I told him, hey, why don't we make that happen at Ames Community College? And so we did.
So when Jelly came to me with the idea of wanting to replicate this program she was a part of at CSU, I thought it was awesome. And I knew definitely it made sense to do that here in this community.
For me is regather, like I started getting memories again after I walked in through this building. At the same time, I didn't realize how many kids needed help. I'm here to help out the kids. I didn't even gain any of that opportunities when I was in middle school. Why did you join?
So you guys could help me do my homework.
We have extra time to do our homework.
And at the end, when you're done with your homework, you get to play games and all that.
When you guys help us with doing our homework.
The only thing I like is playing games and going around the school. Yeah.
What he said.
You ask questions on your work and they help you.
I wanted to get my homework and my grades up. You should be a part of Semillas because they help you get your grades up and all your missing work and your homework and all that.
Yeah, I would recommend them because they'll help us with our homework, we do cool stuff, and then, yeah.
Because
It's fun.
It's fun, plus we could do like homework, reading helps out with that.
I remember when I was in middle school that it was hard and I wish I could have had someone there to help me with my homework and things that I needed. You know, at the end of the day, you're helping, you know, other smaller generations, and like it's just, it takes time out of your day, and it in the end it does make you feel good because, you know, you're helping the community.
It's a lot to ask a middle school student to stay after school an hour and a half longer to do more schooling, right? But I think when they saw people that believed in them, that wanted to spend time with them and wanted to have fun with them, but also tutor them, they needed it and they wanted it more than ever, especially in a year after COVID.
I think one of the best aspects for me was to see that bond and that connection that was created between the mentors and mentees. We had a limited time with them, but I saw the positive impact we were doing with one another. Like, there was mutual benefit from the mentor to the mentee and the mentee to the mentor. We're really grateful for the partnership with Weld Re-8, and we hope to continue that collaboration between Ames Community College as well as the Weld Re-8 School District, and being able to recruit mentors from the Ames Community College for them to continue to support middle school students. So I'm looking forward to future students joining the